ki khubor ka batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kendai Lat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbentaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai Lekai Bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
U Menteri Rangba jong ke Sorkar Jela u Konrad Kongkel Sangma. Ha ka arpu kendai terik u kelalang kot arajar arpuwei ula play pajba ya u mau Nongrim na kebenta bantai ya ke Wahïajer Multi Sports Complex kebadan ha West Jaintia Hills District ya ke balabay pisa lengba ka State Plan Scheme bat ke Sports Authority of India's Khelo India Infrastructure Scheme ha ke jinglot ke ba arpu sa pon kendai puhunyo kelor tengka. Haka jingpli yakani ka Multi Sports Complex haka senong Wahïajer la sakhilang da usembut Menteri ke Sorkar Jela uba Preston Tensong u Menteri ketenat yelek kai sports uba Bantai Dor Lingdo u Menteri ketenat transports uba Senyau Halang Dhar uba Longru u MLA jong kenartiang constituency bat kiwei ki head officer jong ketenat sports and youth affairs ke Sorkar Jela.
Kemudian ni ikitin wakalam uskatri asisten roba celong uyongi. Ang ganito ke dream project yang kecerang wajah warkam jauh yang kawan arti konosi. Kita tak boleh skip. Debon gimana merendam, debon jing talk, debon jing HM, debon indications. Wari HM yang bagi hak Sorkar yang ni depan go dreams come true. Tapi kublai kerpang nak yang akam ni MD government horok gawi. Lembah kejing teli yang hak kejing lang usar, cip besar berungi. Dia lagi projek untuk dekat kondusi jongi hawarak ke state yang Meghalaya. Ini wadah dengan lalai integration giwi ken go jong tampok tharia hitai. Ko ha papo yang di chief minister ke department gengo. Entu dang wani nepo yoksi. Nang wai giwi projek ko nyau pau kluduna ke surok ni mentai tai perlok bocong caktai ke Tanjan Border Assam. Ini wadah nang wai CM yang ketura stadium papo tura. Warok ki corner. Warok kita tahu kita bahang state lembaga jingkres tom chief minister ni. Yinu wang miu ay kamakuak kita iba. Handai ke Sorkar emini de percanggo penjrong kiti kijat karwi yolai ne bentau wanra yang developments go per hagi bentau.
Kani kesngi ke ba pensa je kenmo lang yoro. Ba hakaju ke por. Ju kenmo hai di por wawan banwai ya ke football second Senyau Halang. Hai tai badan bol. Banakaliang ka klub banakaliang ka senang. Wa kami merendam sangat. Ban pen elam kawi ka football artificial turf. Kemudian ban siang yutu pelang plastik. Bat jukan mu nak kapor. Uni umasnya udah tok kamu. Men yang jupun baik kamera lek masiliang cuan be kamera pun penkenmu ya kini Ramadan. Bat kapakwa menyetu ipi sini waro. Kalong ba kajing krek sitom bat kata kajing. Wan banyak syambat ngan kapor. Bat ngabun mas ngabang ang ya kini kekam kum mengelak kular. Nak mentau artificial turf kan long baik. Tambah yang sibet ya kalam lang bu chief minister neba. Baga jing temu ke yang i kong kaliang ke government untuk ia tanggu artificial turf sendon dak stadium ke bangin bu mau Nongrim mata kasih arfusan kerur tengkah to ia pi ke jing thau kti yo ngasnya walang bat yo chief minister
ya kane ke jing bu jongi yo nu mau Nongrim ai baga ne kam kaba en sa pentrei no shen kan long sisa ke jing kerku ya kanika than barokaway bat kumju ya ka Jela Mekla jongi namar bahaki ni kibjuk ki jongi ki bamenta ki kun samla jongi yo i ki babun ki don ka sap ka phong ban pen i ha ki benta ki ba per ha ki jing le pa le ha ki jing le kai sports ko jongi.
And there has been a lack of good infrastructure for sports throughout our state. There has also been a neglect in this particular sector in many fronts. We have the talent, We have the youngsters who desire to not just play sports but to take sports as a career. But because of the lack of infrastructure, the lack of proper training, many dreams are left unfulfilled. I remember when we had taken over the government and we had a meeting to discuss about the sports policy. I was told that a sports person who would receive a medal in the national games would be given 7,000 rupees from the state government. Now, I'm not saying that money is important, but it does make a difference. A sports person who wins a medal at the national games, if you go to other states, they get lakhs and lakhs as a mark of respect and also to boost their spirit. As soon as we came into the government, we came out with a sports policy. We made changes. And today, depending on the medal that you get, that 1,000 has been converted, at least for the beginning, into lakhs. 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 5 lakhs. A mark of recognition for our sports people, a small recognition. But it goes a long way in telling the sports people, the sportsmen that we have, that we recognize you. We appreciate this medal that you have received does not mean just for you, but it brings pride to the people of the state also. And so the sports policy came in. And as you know, government's primary objective in order to give direction to any department is to create a policy. Without a policy, we don't know the direction to take. And therefore, we stressed on it and we came out with a policy. And that is the policy today that is guiding this government to create infrastructure so that our youngsters can play and excel in the sports and the passion that they have.